friends, I hope you all are doing good. So let us today see 2020 paper of 2nd PU English. So let us revise the paper, and it will be very helpful to you to remember and to solve the paper. So you can see there is a first question. What does the phrase new snow suggest in the Romeo and Juliet? So here the answer is very easy. The new snow Juliet refers to Romeo. So you can say Romeo's complexion or charm of Romeo or beauty or anything. So you can write even one word, charm of Romeo. So the second question is, how much did the French government demand in the lesson to dear? So you should write 16,000 francs. You are in 2nd PU, so you can frame a sentence. The French government demanded 16,000 francs in the lesson to dear. So the third question, whom does the word bow refers to in on children? So bow refers to parents, children refers to arrow. So you should remember this. Then, where was Navadanya farm started by Vandana Shiva. So you should remember to write like this. Navadanya farm started by Vandana Shiva in Doon Valley, Uttarakhand provinces. Or you can write even in the Doon Valley, Uttarakhand provinces. My dear students, if you can write even in single word, we will provide you the marks. Or if you frame this sentence, it is well and good. So the next question, who is the gallant lover in the play Sunny Morning? So gallant lover, that means the man who came on the horse. Remember, he is the gallant lover, that is, he is no other than the Gonzalo. If you write even in single word, we will give you 1 mark. If you write in the sentence also, it is well and good. So let us see 6th question now. Pilgrim soul means the soul. So options has been given, which is immortal, that has gone on a pilgrim, and the next is which is in quest of true love. So you should remember to write pilgrim soul means which is in quest of true love. The next question, who was felicitated as the best poet of his times in The Gardener? So Tamanna, you should remember, Tamanna had started singing lot of songs. He started singing ballads, the story, so he was awarded. If you write even in single word, we will allot you the marks. 8. Dash condemned to live in a shoe suggests that the foot is. So they have given a prisoner, a criminal, forced to give up its dream. So here both gives you the similar meaning. It is been forced to stay in the shoe. That means the child feels it is just like a prisoner. Okay. Even if you say forced to give up its dream, that is also okay, but the correct answer is prisoner, as he feels he should stay inside the shoe. The next question, let us see, which is the most astounding invention of man according to the Borges? So it is the book is the most astounding invention of man according to the Borges. As he say, it will never comes to an end. So let us see the next question. What is a man's telephone receiver in the lesson Japan and Brazil? So you should remember, as man takes away the receiver, he feels it is his castle. So you should write man's castle. So remember, man's castle is a complete answer. So you can frame the sentence or even you can write in one word. Expand POP. POP is nothing but Progressive Organization Party. So this is POP, expansion of POP. The next question, what does the bicycle represents for the rural woman? So bicycle represents freedom. If you write one word freedom also, will allow you give you the marks. Freedom, independence and mobility. With this, you can go to quickly second main.